Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to insert data into database table from JDBC. But here, how we are inserting means what? By reading the details from the user. So dynamically we are using. So we need to create the dynamic SQL. Right, as we discussed in the last video, prepared statement object we need to create. The simple code I'll explain. Here it is. We know that how to load the driver and how to establish the connection in so many examples I explained. Now we need to create the prepared statement object first for inserting. So here it is in my SQL. There is a account table, right? And some records are there. Let me check how many records are there. Select star from account. Here it is the first one integer, second one string, third one is an integer. Already 3 records are there. Now I'm going to insert the 4th record into this database table simply. So first we need to prepare the query. String query equals to insert into account table values. What are the values? Dynamically we will add. So question mark, and question mark. Why? Because 3 columns are there. So we need to insert the 3 values. So once the query is ready, we create the object of prepared statement. Connection dot prepare statement method we need to call prepare statement by passing the query as an input. Now it will return the prepared statement object. Prepared statement, any variable name, suppose a reference variable name PS I have given. Just import this. Import. So prepared statement PS is equals to connection dot prepared statement. Once the query is ready, now we need to read the details. So we create the object of scanner class. Scanner class belongs to util package. So we need to import that. Then we ask system.out.println, enter account details, account number, account holder name, balance. Individual messages if you want to give, again we give like this, system.out.print, enter account number. How to read? Integer, number equals to any variable you can use, scan dot next int. Next one is a enter account holder name. Enter name that we are collecting. String name equals to scan dot next. The third one in the same way, system.out.println or print. Print means what? Keep the cursor on the same line. That's it. We know already. Enter balance in account. That is also integer. So int balance is equals to scan dot next int of. So we are reading all the 3: account number, account holder name, and balance. See, after reading all details from the user, all the 3 values, number, name, balance, we need to set to these 3 question marks. How to set means what? PS dot prepared statement. PS dot, here it is a set integer, because the first column number and value, that is account number. PS dot set string, second column name. Third one, PS dot set int, third column balance. Like that we need to set for all these 3. So after setting that, we need to update. Here it is simply PS dot execute update method we have to call, because already query is ready. We have created the query. We prepared that statement. We are setting the values. Execute update. If it is successfully executed, it will return the count is 1, else 0. So clearly we give the message. If count is greater than 0, yes, record inserted successfully. Record inserted. If it is not greater than 0, if it is 0, then insertion failed. Record insertion failed. See, when it will fail means what? Suppose here we are discussing the simple things only. If you set some primary key constraints, right, on a number column, 102, 101, 102, 103 records are there. Suppose if you try to insert with the number again 101, it's a unique constraint consider. Then it will not insert. Duplicate record is there. Like that, the messages will give. Okay. So whatever the reason, if it is successfully inserted, count value become 1. So if count is 1, this message will come. Now let me show you the output. In console, account number 104, account holder name, balance in account. We are entering one by one, one by one. Look at this. Record inserted and connection closed. If you go and check in SQL table, select star from account, look at this 104, the name and the balance. The record inserted successfully. This is the simple way of creating the record using prepared statement. Just reading the details from the user, create the account object, set the values, and updating the record. Okay, please complete this. Thank you all.